Hi students, I am Pavan, your science master. Today I would like to speak to 7th standard students. Students, we have been discussing about acids and bases and different sub-concepts related to acids and bases. Students, in the last class we have talked about how hydrogen was discovered and the reaction of acids with eggshell and what are the products produced after the reaction. Here we have to understand carbon dioxide is produced in the reaction between acids and eggshell. In this, so carbon dioxide can be used as fire extinguisher. Here we have understood only simple and a sample experiment how carbon dioxide is produced by acids, but in industrial level carbon dioxide is produced in large quantities and that carbon dioxide is filled in some containers called fire extinguishers. You might have seen some fire extinguishers present in big shopping malls and cinema theaters, and you might have seen that the image I will display on the screen. You can see the fire extinguisher. So students, this is all about the acids reacting with other substances and producing some other substances. So here one thing that you need to understand, other thing, did you ever observe some inner sides of the utensils or some vessels made up of brass or copper? Yeah, if you keenly observe, you will notice a blue-green layer formation on the surface of copper or brass surface, because the container is made up of copper or brass. When you store some food items in that containers, the foods, if the foods are with some acids, the acids present in that food react with the copper or brass, and that produces a blue-green layer formation on the surface. Okay students, like this you can understand the reaction of acids with some other metals, and here to avoid this blue-green formation on the walls of the utensils, you have to coat it with tin. Tin is a material which cannot react with acids and will not form any kind of color on the surface of the container. Okay students, like this you can understand. And today I want you to understand how to confirm the carbon dioxide. The produced gas is carbon dioxide. How to confirm? Here there is a simple experiment that you need to understand. Here what you have to take, you have to take two test tubes. You have to take two test tubes with a rubber cork, one hole rubber cork, and in this test tube you have to take some acid. If you take nitric acid, say for example nitric acid, okay students, and you have to drop some pieces of eggshell in it. Okay, eggshell, what are these? Eggshell. What is the composition of eggshell? Calcium carbonate. Eggshell composition is calcium carbonate. Here in the previous class I have already taught you how nitric acid and calcium carbonate react and produce. What are the products after these reactants react? Calcium carbonate and nitric acid, and gives rise what? calcium nitrate plus carbon dioxide plus water. The chemical formulas and all you will learn in your higher classes. This is for this is enough for your standard. You just remember the names and how they react and what are the reactants and what are the products after reaction. You try to understand like this. So, carbon dioxide is produced here, right? And whether carbon dioxide is produced, the produced gas is carbon dioxide or not, that we have to confirm. Here in this test tube, carbon dioxide is produced. So, here what you have to do is take one more test tube, that which is closed with a single hole, one hole rubber stopper. Here take a delivery tube. I draw the diagram of delivery tube. Here yeah, can you understand? Yeah. What is this? Delivery tube. So, here before you fix this rubber stopper to this test tube, you have to take lime water in it. What? Lime water. What is the chemical name of lime water? Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. See, here if you want to confirm whether the produced gas is carbon dioxide or not, you have to collect the produced carbon dioxide with the help of a delivery tube like this and fix other end of the delivery tube to another test tube like this, as shown in the picture. The produced carbon dioxide is passed through the delivery tube into the test tube, another test tube which is with lime water. So, what will you observe? The lime water which is present in the test tube becomes milky white. The color of lime water will change into milky white. So, this will be the indication of the presence of carbon dioxide. Okay. Lime water changes its color into milky white. It forms like a precipitation. This formation is called precipitation. Precipitation. Okay, students, like this you can understand how carbon dioxide is produced and whether the produced gas is carbon dioxide or not. Like this you can confirm. Students, like this you can understand how to confirm the product, the produced gas is carbon dioxide or not. Okay, students. Here in the next class we will learn about neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? So far we learnt about how acids react with other substances and what are the products, and how to confirm the presence of acids or bases in the substances. Okay students, and what are indicators, what are natural indicators, what are artificial indicators. Okay students, the assignment that I would like to give you is to write the confirmation test of carbon dioxide. Okay, this you should write in the form of an experiment lab activity in experimental format, you know, that experiment format, aim, operators, and the procedure and the confirmation of the observation and inference. All the things you should present and write in your notebook and present in the WhatsApp group. Okay students, this is for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you one and all.